Staying safe with GameLoop, your essential guide.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we'll be diving into an important topic: how to use GameLoop safely on your PC. GameLoop is a popular Android emulator used by millions worldwide for mobile gaming on PCs. However, as with any software, it's crucial to ensure you're using it safely to avoid potential harm.
What are the potential risks?
Before we can discuss safety measures, it's important to understand what potential risks may be associated with using an Android emulator like GameLoop. These can include malware infections, privacy breaches, and system instability.
How can I install GameLoop safely?
The first step to safe usage begins with the installation process. Always download GameLoop from its official website or a trusted source. This reduces the risk of downloading a version of the software that may have been altered or infected with malware. Never click on suspicious links claiming to provide GameLoop download, especially those received through unsolicited emails or messages.
How can I maintain privacy and security while using GameLoop?
When it comes to maintaining your privacy and security during use, there are a few key points to keep in mind. Firstly, be aware of the permissions you grant to the applications you run on GameLoop. Ensure they are necessary for the app's function. Use strong, unique passwords for your accounts linked to the emulator, including your Google Play account. Consider using a reputable antivirus software on your PC to add an extra layer of security against potential threats.
How can I ensure system stability with GameLoop?
To ensure system stability, it's important to regularly update GameLoop. Updates often include patches for bugs that may otherwise cause instability or security issues. Avoid overloading your system. Keep in mind that running games on an emulator can be resource-intensive. So, make sure your PC has the necessary resources available, like sufficient storage and processing power. And that's it. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy using GameLoop on your PC with peace of mind, knowing you're taking the right steps to protect your system. Remember, staying safe online is all about being informed and vigilant. Here's hoping this video guide serves as a useful tool in your gaming journey. Happy gaming!